Yes, I'm all about that. Make it consistent and easy. But okay, all right. So you can outline your course and you can record it. Now to outline it, create the slides, do all that stuff. That can be take between 5 and 10 hours to do. And the equipment and the tools that you're going to need for this could be loom.com. That means you can record your slides. You can use Zoom. You can be a talking head. Oh, well, that's the second bullet point. You can use Zoom to record your slides or record your course. You can use StreamYard like I am using right now to record your course, or you can use Canva. I don't know if you guys know that, but you can record yourself, your picture, and your slides at the same time on Canva. So you just have to choose which tool you're going to use: Zoom, Loom, StreamYard, or Canva. The next option is you're going to have to make the decision if you're going to be a talking head, meaning talking head means it's just like this is a let me show y'all what a talking head is. This is a talking head, me just talking to you. Talking head, no slides, no images, no words. I'm just talking, right? And you can see that that could be quite boring for people like myself who are visual. Like I like to see you, but I want to see some slides. I need to see some visuals at the same time. I need to be taking notes at the same time. So you can be a talking head. You can either be share your slides like I'm doing right now. So typically when you share your slides, it could look like this. You're over to the left hand side and your slides are over to the right hand side, and you can be clicking through your slides, or you can have yourself down in the corner like I have myself now, or you can be sharing yourself like this, like you are the bigger person and then your slides are smaller. Now this option is because I'm using StreamYard, then I'm able to do this. But that's up to you. Okay. So you can do that. Or you can have both. You can be a talking head, a little mix of both, and share your slides. Okay. So that's something that you might want to make a choice with. The third thing is that if you want to do an audio only course, I love audio. We talked about that this recently. It's easy to put together. You don't have to worry about slides. You're going to have some worksheets though. But you can use freeconferencecall.com to record your course that way. You can use Zoom because Zoom has an audio version as well. So you can script out the MP3. You can use StreamYard as an audio version as well. Okay. And you can use your phone. You can just record yourself using your phone. Your phone has an audio recording as well. Okay. Now, the other equipment and tool that you're going to need is a webcam. So if you're going to be a talking head and you want to be, show your face and you want to show your slides, you want to have a good quality webcam. I have an HD larger tech webcam right now that you guys are viewing me from. So this is my webcam that you see. Like, yay, right? Or you can use your phone. Your phone works just as well as well. Okay. And then the next thing would be you want to have a nice microphone. You can have a USB mic that actually plugs up to your computer, or you can have a headset that we used to working in corporate America with. Right now, the mic that I use, I have a Snowball, or is this a Yeti? This is a Yeti mic. This is a newer mic. I had a Snowball in the past, but you can purchase this. My Yeti mic was, I think, $100. My Snowball mic was about $40. You can buy that stuff at Walmart now, or Target, or Best Buy. But you're gonna need a microphone or a headset. Okay, so you can see how that can take up to 5 to 10 hours. If and 5 to 10 hours is focused 5 or 10 hours, like focus, like you got everything together. You're going to outline, you're going to record, you're going to do all that. But typically that's not real. Most of us outline and then we go chill, right? We might record 1 or 2 videos and then we're going to chill. But to actually sit down and do all of it, I can say about 5 to 10 hours, right? And that's something I think Arnetta shared with me yesterday, right? She shared that she's sat down and she recorded all of her videos for her course. And I'm pretty much guaranteed that probably took her about 5 hours at least just to record the video. So you can outline and record your videos. Okay. That is one way. Rosa says, since working with you, I've learned that your course, your lives, your outline content don't have to be perfect. That has helped me a lot. Helped me move out of my way. Yes, girl. You know that I'm less simplified. Okay. So that's uh way number one. Okay, that's one way that you can do it. The second way, now let me know if you're ready for the second way. Let me know. Give me some love. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if y'all ready for the second way. And as I'm sharing the ways to do and create your course, the time that it takes is going to reduce. Okay.